At Corley's Albuquerque, Lincoln, Volvo, we know that you have a choice where to take your car. We're not necessarily going to be the very least expensive place to take it. However, we've got the certified trained professionals in the brands that we sell in Volvo and Lincoln. We can also honor Ford warranties. At Corley's, we do things to make it a destination location, a fun place to be. We've got a cafe upstairs so you can relax, enjoy a bite to eat, maybe run into some friends while your automobile is being taken care of.